places touch the heart, where marble glows, walls shine like gold, and every step feels like a dream. This is where beauty lives, and it's calling you in. Some homes are too grand to be called homes. Their palaces carved in white marble, echoing the softness of light, wrapped in neoclassical calm. Every detail, a whisper from another time. And yet, somehow, they feel like they're waiting for you. Chandeliers hang like frozen stars. Staircases curve like poetry in motion. These spaces, from Hollywood Hills modern mansions to Beverly Hills mega homes, aren't built, they're composed. There's a kind of peace in these spaces. Soft wind brushing silk curtains. Water quietly slipping through stone fountains. This isn't just luxury architecture. It's a feeling, a sanctuary, one that holds you gently and doesn't rush you out. Every frame is crafted like a dream. Light, texture, silence, space. From Los Angeles modern homes to the heart of Baroque-inspired palatial rooms, these aren't fantasies. They're visions made real through art, design, and emotion. Stay, feel, return whenever your soul needs beauty. There's more waiting, and it only gets more breathtaking.